Hey everybody, and welcome back to this channel. Are you a member of this family? If not, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the family. I'm leaving a link down below to our blog where we've got some great ideas on how you can make money over this time. So a little while ago, we were just living our best life, and then the coronavirus happened. Did not see that coming. Now, COVID-19 has pretty much affected everybody around the world. And the worst part of it is a lot of people have lost their jobs.
You're fired.
If you're one of the lucky ones and you didn't lose your job, perhaps you're not getting your full pay, or you're stuck at home as an entrepreneur and you just don't know how to make money and pay your bills. Well, you know, on this channel, we like to help you guys out. We've got 20 great ways, interesting ways for you to make money. And let's face it, you gotta get creative over this time, right? Many of us are stuck at home and we cannot leave our houses. So how do you make money from home? Now, a lot of these ideas refer to websites or companies that might not be present in your country. I've tried to include ideas that pretty much cover the globe. But if it's not in your country, hey, maybe there's an idea. Start it up in your country or find something that's similar already available near you. A principle I live on is what's in your hand. Now, what do you have that you can use? Experience, education, skills. What do you have that perhaps other people don't have? Maybe you're just good at entertaining people. What's in your hand? What don't you have to go out and get to produce something? You must have something. Everyone out there is good at something. Now, when you figure that out, you got to think how you can monetize that idea. Idea number one, sell things you don't need. You've had time at lockdown, you've had a look around the house. There's a lot of stuff that you don't really need. And guess what? People are buying stuff right now for a cheaper price than what they're gonna get it at the store. Look at websites like eBay, Gumtree, Facebook. People sell a lot of stuff on Facebook. Craigslist. Got a few old cell phones? We all do, right? Sell it on Gazelle, Sell My Mobile. They give you good money for your old cell phones. Do some tutoring online. People are using Skype, Zoom. They're teaching English to people around the world who can't speak English. I've got actually so many friends right now that are teaching English to foreigners around the world. Use what's in your hand. What experience do you have? Teach people how to play a musical instrument, how to make a face mask, how to do crafts. People are self-improving during lockdown. They've got loads of time. So teach them something that they need to know. Once you've got an idea of what you want to teach, form a guideline, then create maybe a free website for yourself, market yourself on forums, on lists, on Facebook, on social media. Let people know about your course and charge them a low amount so that you get lots of people signing on. Right now, people's lives have been turned upside down a bit. They're either in lockdown or they're having to work crazy hours. Now's the time to help them out. What do people need? Can you cook? Can you bake? It's a great time to make homemade meals for people and deliver to their door. If you want to stand apart from the rest of the pack, make specialized meals like vegetarian, vegan, kosher. Bake incredible cookies, cupcakes, cakes. Now, for a lot of people, their salaries have been cut down, and so you want to minimize your expenses. The best way to do that is to get rid of your home loan or your bond, or get rid of your rent. How do you do that? How do you live somewhere for free? House sitting. There are so many websites, and right now people are in desperate need of someone who will come and look after their holiday home or their second home, especially if you're willing to also look after pets. I'm leaving links down below to websites that will help you get started. Now, if you're watching this video, it means you've got internet, and that means you can create a video on YouTube. And that's a great way to make money as well, because you could create something that helps people out. Either teach them something, entertain them in some way, pretty much what I'm doing right now. I've created a course that shows you how to make over $5,000 a month doing just that. I'm leaving a link down below where you can sign up for the course. Ever heard of websites like Fiverr? You can pretty much make money on Fiverr by doing anything. Singing happy birthday in a funny voice, or creating a website for somebody. Pretty much anything. Go check it out. And just because it's called Fiverr doesn't mean that you only get paid $5. You can set your price. And the best thing is you can work from home. Do you have a car? Well, now's the time to make it work for you. Why don't you become an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or use your car to help people with deliveries? Now on my blog, I leave a full list of all the websites that you can go sign up for deliveries, and you can make really good money. Think about it, people are stuck at home. Some people are high risk and they don't want to go out to buy their groceries and get the things they need. They need somebody like you. Do you like children? Well, right now, people are really needing help with their children. Either they're working crazy hours or summer holidays are coming up and they're gonna have to work through the summer, so they need a au pair or a nanny. And guess what, guys? This isn't just for the ladies. Guys make great childminders too, and the pay can be really good. Now, are you good at any particular sport? Are you into fitness? Right now, you don't even need a qualification to be able to help other people get into shape. We've all got time right now and we're wanting to get into shape because, let's face it, we went crazy eating those lockdown snacks in the first week. If you know how to do CrossFit, yoga, Pilates, or maybe some sort of a sport like baseball or tennis or running, now's a great time to train people, and you can do this online. Are you good at photography, or do you just really like taking pictures? Well, guess what? You can sell your photographs to iStock and Shutterstock, to stock photography websites. They're buying your photos for other people to use. So these were just a few examples of the great ways that you can make money during this time. I'm leaving a link down below to our blog where there is a full list, including links to websites where you can go register yourself. Go check that out. And don't forget the course I've created. I'm leaving a link to that as well. If you've got a social media following of over 5,000 people, you can make money online. I think we all know that the world is never gonna be the same again. How we make money is going to change and evolve. It's probably gonna mean we're gonna do a lot more things online, and probably gonna have a lot of different side hustles to make up our typical usual salary. Guys, I'm so interested to find out if you have other ideas that I haven't included. Go check out my blog and write in the comments and give us your ideas. I love creating content like this that I know will help so many people out there. Guys, hit that subscribe button, become part of the family, turn on your notifications so you get notified when I create another video just like this. Until the next video, hey, but while you're here, go check out this video. I think you'll really enjoy it.